What up, world? It's your boy, just one of the guys down here. Well, I could be more specific. I'm a human. And just wanted to, you know, for the sake of all of us Earthlings out there, just wanted to say, we love the Earth, it is our planet. We love the Earth, it is our home. We love the Earth, it is our planet. We love the Earth, it is our home.
Hi, I'm a baboon. I'm like a man, just less advanced, and my anus is huge.
Hey, I'm a zebra. No one knows what I do, but I look pretty cool. Am I white or black?
I'm a lion cub, and I'm always getting licked. Meow.
How's it going? I'm a cow. You drink milk from my tits. I'm a fat fucking pig.
I'm a common fungus.
I'm a disgruntled skunk, shoot you out my butthole.
I'm a marijuana plant, I can get you fucked up.
And I'm Kanye West.
We love the Earth, it is our planet. We love the Earth, it is our home. We love the Earth, it is our planet. We love the Earth, it is our home. We love the Earth.
Ba-dum, boom, ba-dum, buddy. We are the vultures, feet on the dead.
We're just some rhinos, funny as heck.
I'm just a giraffe once with a snake.
Hippity hop, I'm a kangaroo. How about that? Up and down with you. I'm an elephant, I got junk in my trunk.
What the fuck? I'm a clown.
I'm a wolf,
I'm a squirrel looking for my next nut.
and I'm a pony, just a freak horse.
But, come on, get on. Yeah.
Giddy up, let's ride.
HPV, don't let me in. I'm a koala and I sleep all the time, so what? It's cute.
We love you, India.
We love you, Africa.
We love you, China.
We forgive you, Germany. It is our planet. We love the Earth. It is our home. We love the Earth. It is our planet. We love the Earth. It is our home. We love the Earth. I'm a man. Hello. Can you hear me?
Anyone out there? Hello?
I've trudged the earth for so damn long and still don't know shit. I hope it's not a simulation. Give each other names like Ahmed and Pedro. And yeah, we like to wear clothes. Girls still look beautiful and it covers up our human dick. Eat a lot of tuna fish, but these days it's like we don't know how to act. All these shootings, pollution, we under attack on ourselves. Like let's all just chill, respect what we built. Like look at the internet, it's cracking as hell. Fellas, don't you let it come when you have sex. And I heard women orgasms are better than a dick's. So what we got is land for, what we gotta stand for. Love. And we love the Hey Russia, we're cool. Hey Asia, all of you, come on, every one of you. From the plains to the Sahara, let's come together and live.
Nene chicos, 사랑해요. Amamos la tierra.
Woman, I beat you.
Come on everybody. I know we're not all the same, but we're living on the same.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to